May God's peace be upon you. I would like to share with you about parental instincts, facts and focus, ACADEME. These are free sessions about parenting, pregnancy, and these following lessons. We are now in session 2, and we will tackle about adaptability to hormonal changes and maternal dietary nutrition. The essentiality of mutual understanding and mutual realization takes the primary focus in the onset of pregnancy. The couple's awareness of the changes physically, emotionally, socially, and spiritually must be taken seriously. Adaptability and healthy responses in these changes in the first 3 trimesters of pregnancy should be taken into consideration and should not be single-handedly undertaken by any of the couple alone. The changes that may occur may not be presumed similar to various couples due to the difference in upbringing or familial history or status in the society, but each countries have a common approach on the specific periods surrounding pregnancy and childbirth, such as training, seminars, and programs. These are usually accessible to the rural or urban areas. Knowing the importance of these programs in the community supports maternity-based questions that a couple may not be aware of or may not fully understood of the very young couples. The first approach to the couple is to define the areas that they struggle with to resolve, or knowing the problem that may arise in their expectations of having a child or ongoing course in the pregnancy. Let us discuss about the physical changes that usually occurs during the first trimester of the pregnancy. First is the hormonal changes in the body, which is estrogen and progesterone, the chief pregnancy hormones. Estrogen regulates the menstrual cycle and supports pregnancy, and the progesterone maintains the womb, and it fertilizes the egg to implant and grow, and it thickens the lining of the uterus. These 2 main hormones play a vital role in the development stages of growth and reproduction. Changes of these hormones during pregnancy produces adjustability to the emotional sensitivity, mood changes, dietary changes, and social susceptibility. Maintaining a healthy relationship between the couples lies upon knowing the changes during pregnancy, and it may cause misunderstanding without defining their responses on these changes. The second one is dietary changes. Maintaining a healthy diet, balanced nutrition, and knowing certain health channels is the next important focus in pregnancy or maternal health. Changes in the taste buds is another major concern to be given attention with. The sense of taste differs from every pregnant women. Some may not have any natural changes during pregnancy, but other pregnant women have changes. During these periods, a woman may eat more foods with defined apparent cravings to certain foods, and other women may not take or eat any food, especially their favorite foods, because of the feeling of nausea or the feeling of vomiting or throwing up. This occurs in the early stages of pregnancy. Needing to take small frequent foods to avoid vomiting or throwing up. There is also changes in the intake of fluids, as well as this is usually commonly affected. Taking a large amount of fluids may cause nausea also, or feeling to throw up in great amounts. Estrogen affects the changes of the sense of taste. Dietary support needs to be always healthy for the mother and the growing fetus. Having a complete vitamins and minerals needed in these delicate times are purposely valued, namely calcium, which helps in the bone formation, growth of teeth, and prevent calcium loss of the mother during pregnancy. Iron develops the placenta, the fetus, and prevents anemia. Phosphorus is the combination to manganese and calcium for healthy and strong bones and teeth. Selenium protects the mother and the baby from stress and infections. Chromium regulates blood sugar levels and insulin production. Copper, it aids in the formation of heart and blood vessels and nervous system. Fluoride strengthens the enamel of the baby's teeth and prevents tooth decay for the mother. Iodine, it helps for the development of brain and thyroid glands and preventing goiter. Magnesium helps in the development of muscles, blood pressure regulation, and blood sugar control. Molybdenum helps to break down protein and other substances in the body, while potassium maintains electrolyte balance and nerve functions. Sodium, it regulates blood volume, pressure, and fluid and electrolyte balance. Zinc supports the immune system and faster wound healing. And folic acid, it helps prevent abnormalities in children such as neural defects that cause abnormalities in the brain and spinal cords. Be reminded that consulting an obstetrician for advice in pregnancy, during pregnancy, and for the provision of food charts is very important, and especially when you require or needing prescription for vitamins and minerals. These minerals and vitamins can be taken by eating fruits, plenty of fruits and vegetables, green leafy vegetables, beans, and lean meats. And you should always avoid increase intake of salt and cold drinks. Please always remember that our God is the main source of everything we have and the answer to our needs. He forms and knit the parts of the body of the fetus, and who gives life and plans for a wonderful destiny of the children in their future. God bless you, and thank you for watching. Subscribe and like and share these facts to your friends, to your community, and to those important to you who are also needing this information. Some of this information were taken from the Cleveland Clinic post from co-pilots and momandi.com. You may also search online for additional support. God bless you. See you in the next lesson.